Hi and welcome back to my channel. ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡ Dr. Nihar Sinam and ngasi akhoi si video sida tummy tuck, breast lift, breast augmentation, genital rejuvenation, liposuction sumai matang da discuss tawse. Si gaise koina cumulative term ama da seasoner di mommy makeover habam leba. So mommy makeover haise usiki haiba surgeries myamdo kaigumba after childbirth and breastfeeding nupi amagi hana leramba magi body shape tadagi changes khar laktana breast sagging tawba breast volume loss leiba and pukki muscle tone do pregnant orubagi khara loose leiba tongthoga and pukta skin loose oina leihauba plus fat accumulate tawba hips kumbada. And then with age, after marriage and childbirth, akoigi genitalium from do extra skin, loose skin gumba leibagi rejuvenation daka leiba. Sigumba procedure myamse yes, mother ama nattabadazu daka leibiyai, but sumaina breastfeeding da tawra matungda mother amada sigi comprehensive procedures se tawragadi mommy makeover kawai sise. Face the zoo, mechu, natunzu, sambruzu, sai khajai gi fat zu, facelift zu, brow lift zu, si myamse in combination pulap adum tawbusi yawi. So similarly, mommy makeover gi procedure se mi pulap oin tawbusi yawi, natraga masa masa gi concern gi madongina dakar leba madongina breast ki surgery dang tawba or abdominoplasty dang tawba huziki haiba tummy tuck to or liposuction dang tawbus lay. So mommy makeover sida breast takedawi breast sagging tawda breast lift tawni breast ki volume loose tawda breast augmentation tawni breast augmentation adi size to increase tawnaba silicone implants hapa. Silicone implants hapa je excessively large hekta oigadab natte hekta mina hape khangadab natte mi dugi dakar leba magi desires ki matung inna hana leramba magi shape and size to regain tawnaba small size tang dakar leba mi da small size tang hapaga magi hana leizaramba average medium size breast gumbado adumaina tanaba tawbus yawi. Implant ama haptori haga hekta large implant ama hapaga excessively large breast hekta ohingadabani hability. Just like akoina eyelid semadazu yam natural looking oibiyawi pikna semyawi chawna semyawi chawna semigai obvious oibiyawi that size asembo oibani kainga adumaina similarly breast implants azu large oiragazu natural looking oibiyawni and kar obvious oibziyawi and smaller sizes oiraga yam very natural looking adi artificial or surgery tawba mong mandanaba adum ohinbasu yai. Next, tummy tuck abdominoplasty haise kaino sise akoigi pukki skin saina loose oibse sigi excess skin do saina chingdharaga lapthokraga skin do tight ohendoini. So mini tummy tuck haibam lei makha wai gi kitang tawba or full abdomen gi pura tight ohenba skin do flat ohenba aduna full abdominoplasty. So abdominoplasty tawba kanda akoina skin and makhagi layer flat layer do haigatlaga chingthaba matam sida khoidau umbilicus ki position jisu makhada umdhara ani. So umbilical repositioning tawba su da kana biyawi. Skin do haigali kanda akoina manungi muscle layer do excess phange. Pregnancy tawba matam da muscle do sumaina stretch khar tawrubagi hanagi toned way da halakpa ngamdabi yawi so muscle is loose oina leiba. So even if abdominoplasty tawraga outer skin layer do khoina fazana trim tawraga fazan thamazu pukki bulge ama sum lehogani na khalagadi muscle manungi inner muscle dusu tighten tawba yawi toned look oinaba. So breast lift high grade, breast augmentation high grade, tummy tuck high grade, And then liposuction. Liposuction is in around the abdomen ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯐꯦꯠ ꯂꯦꯌꯔꯗꯣ ꯈꯔ ꯊꯥꯅ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯒꯗꯤ liposuction ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯤꯖꯔꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯐꯦꯠ ꯔꯤꯗ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯤꯞꯁꯇꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ. And then last but not the least, genital rejuvenation ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤꯅ female private part the excess skin gumba leiba sigumbaze not only for looks so excess skin ga leiba je even pukta or even breast sagging tawba pukki skin choner leiba akoina phiron gumba set pada di for example inner wear set pada ko nupi gi mathaki or cham cham na khoi gi jeans ama set pada phanek ama set pada or migi makhagi underwear use tawba matamda excess skin loose skin ga leiba je sisina uncomfortable oiba or itching tawba henba and so amai tawba yawi so siguma procedures je every time only aesthetics ki wanate but physical comfort ki zugni plus masagi self confidence improve tawna zu hoi so sigi videos ida hai giba topic myam se mommy makeover the yaw sing sise sidai sida tongan tongan na different videos oina hena kupna khangning ba topics yaw giba oragadi comments da habiro and mayam gi pambo oragadi duguma topics so ai amuka hena detail da discuss tawjaraki. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Next video don't think see you. Bye.